To enable and use Quick Note feature on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap S Pen. Scroll down the screen. And then tap the gray on offset next to Quick Notes until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how this feature works on any screen, remove your S Pen from your phone. While Quick Note feature is on, you can easily create a new note from anywhere while the screen is on, simply by pressing and holding the pen button on its side and then tap the screen twice with your S Pen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.